Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2016 Toyota Corolla L. Automatic transmission, beautiful condition inside and out. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll show you panel by panel the condition of the vehicle. It's got about 100,000 miles in it, silver with a dark gray interior like a charcoal, black rugs. Really nice looking vehicle. Beautiful condition. Let's go here and take a close look. Front bumper's in really nice shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. It's got a small little scratch right here. Besides that, looks good. Headlamps are in beautiful shape. Very nice. Grill's in beautiful condition. Hood's in really nice shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Taking a look at the front fender. Driver's side, beautiful shape. No marks, no scratches on it. Looks super clean. Driver door, beautiful condition. Very nice. Super clean throughout. Really in great shape. Take a look at the rear door on the driver's side. Also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Rear quarter panel on the driver's side, also in beautiful shape. Take a look at the rear bumper. Beautiful condition throughout. It's got a tiny little mark right there. Besides that, looks good. Rear lights are in beautiful condition. Very nice. Trunk lid's in beautiful shape. Rear glass is in beautiful condition. Very nice. Quarter panel on the passenger side, also in beautiful shape. Very nice shape there. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Front door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Glass is in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout. Very nice. Front fender on the passenger side looks good. Very nice. It's got a small little dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Really in great condition. Take a look at the glass. Windshield looks good. Roof is in really nice shape. Does have a small little dent right there. Besides that, looks perfect. Very nice condition. 2016, about 100,000 miles on it. Very nice inside and out. Beautiful condition. Couple of little marks here and there, no big deal. Very nice shape. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in good shape. Really nice condition. Taking a look at the front seat on the driver's side, looks good. Very nice shape. Rugs are clean. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Very nice. We're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front, also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the seats. Rugs look good. Really outstanding shape on the interior. Look at that. Very, very nice. We're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Look at that. Really great shape. Take a look at the rear seat. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Rugs are clean. Looks good. Seats are in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Door panel looks good. Very nice. Super clean throughout. Take a look at the rear seats. Also in beautiful condition. Really great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, we're all set to start this baby up. 2016 Toyota Corolla L. Starts up perfect. Look at that. Very nice. Let's take a closer look at the mileage here. Mileage is 100,902 miles. You can see there everything on the cluster is working. RPMs, miles per hour. You see it work in a minute when I drive it. The fuel gauge doesn't have any check engine lights or anything on. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this one. So we're looking at this one. Has daytime running lights in case you guys are up north or in Canada or whatever, you need that. So you put it there, daytime running lights, regular lights. Very nice. We'll have it off for now. Steering radio controls. This one has Bluetooth built in. Power mirrors. Power windows, very nice. Power locks. Automatic transmission. Traction control, look at that. Very nice. It's got a USB plug and an auxiliary plug right there. Look at that. It's a charger. Bluetooth. Has Bluetooth audio. Let's go ahead and see, bring down the volume here. We can change the audio to AM, FM, Bluetooth audio. And then of course it has Bluetooth for your phone. Very nice. You can set it up there. It's got a digital clock up here. All the controls for the AC. Really nice. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks so clean. Really beautiful condition. Side airbags. It's got tweeters up here. Looks really nice. Seats are in beautiful condition. Rugs are super clean. Steering wheel looks brand new. Really nice condition all the way through. Look at the armrest. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Controls to the wipers. The lights. Very, very nice. Okay, that concludes our view in the interior. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a test drive here. Here we go. 2016 Toyota Corolla L. Really nice automatic transmission, about 100,000 miles on it. Give it a quick test drive. Drives perfect, no check engine lights or anything. Steering wheel's going straight here. No vibration or anything like that, feels good. Really nice. Drives beautiful. Feels super smooth. Going about 55. Feels really nice. Okay, let's check the brakes here. Press the brakes, they feel good. Stops nice. Steering wheel's nice and smooth. Turns really nice, feels super smooth. Stop here. Stops perfect. Okay, well that's pretty much going to conclude our test drive. You can see everything's working perfect on the vehicle, drives nice. Really in great shape. Stay tuned, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment, take a look at the tires, and inside the trunk. We'll take a look at the trunk area. The trunk area looks good. Very nice, clean, great condition. Take a look at the jack, spare tires there, very nice condition. Okay, we'll take a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice, look at that. Really outstanding condition. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Okay, we'll take a look at the front. Driver's side tire. Tire looks good. Very nice condition. The rim does have a couple scratches on it. Hubcap, it's a little scratched up there. No big deal. Besides that, looks very nice. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire looks good. Rim is clean and in great shape. Very nice. Hubcap looks brand new. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks good. Rim is clean and in great shape. Very nice. A couple little marks here and there. Nothing major. Okay, we'll take a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks good. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Hubcap's in really great shape. Does have a couple little scratches right there. Besides that, looks beautiful. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2016 Toyota Corolla L with 100,000 miles on it. Very nice condition. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.